Welcome. This is how to access DegreeWorks if you are a faculty or staff member. This video will also go over how to use the Finder in DegreeWorks. First, go to My SCF. Then, hover over Faculty. Go to DegreeWorks. In the top left corner is a magnifying glass labeled Find. When you click on that link, you have Find features available. You can search for students by program of study, classification, catalog year, student type, among other variables including advisor name. You can also search for the partial and full name of students. The search feature is a two-part search feature. You must first select your criteria, then hit search. This will locate those students. Those students will then pop up in this lower part of the box. Then hit OK, and this will upload your box of students into the drop-down box here in DegreeWorks. If you have any questions, please email degreeworks@scf.edu.